hope you're all good. And hope you learned something from my previous videos. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. And are you ready to learn new things, kids? Okay, so come on, let's start. Hello kids! Today, I'll be telling you some Didyouknow facts. So number 1, did you know that there are 7 colors in the rainbow? These are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Oh, now I get the colors. Amazing! So number 2, did you know that there are 26 letters in the alphabet? These are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay, so number 3. Did you know that when you add up all the numbers from 1 to 100 consecutively, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 up to 100, the answer is 5050. Wow, that's a big number! So number 4, did you know that there are 8 planets in our solar system? These are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Okay, so number 5. The average person blinks every 4 seconds. That is about 15 times per minute or over 20,000 times a day. Oh, interesting. Okay, so number 6. Did you know that the nose can detect 1,000,000,000 smells? What? 1,000,000,000 smells. Okay, so number 7. Did you know our body has more than 600 muscles? Whoa, cool. Amazing. So number 8. Did you know that our heart beats about 100,000 times a day? What? Cool. Okay, so number 9. Did you know that human teeth is just as strong as shark's teeth? What? The adult teeth, it's strong like the shark's teeth. So number 10. Did you know that your mouth produces about 1 liter of saliva each day? Oh. Okay, so number 11. Did you know our blood is as salty as the ocean? Huh? Our blood is salty. Okay, so number 12. Did you know that your nose and ears never stop growing? Oh. So, number 13. Did you know your brain is same times more active when we're asleep? Oh. That's interesting. So, number 14. Did you know that fingernails grow about 4 times faster than your toenails? Maybe it's true. Yeah. So, number 15. Did you know that like fingerprints here, everyone's thumbprint is different? Maybe than it, like our tongue. Than it. Okay, number 16. Did you know that the average 14-year-old child asks 450 questions a day? Oh, really? Oh, okay. So, number 17. Did you know that we fart on an average 14 times a day? Fart. Yeah, disgusting. So, number 18. Did you know that a shark is the only can blink with both eyes like this. Okay, so number 19. Did you know that ostrich's eye is bigger than its brain? Oh, the ostrich's eye, it's bigger than its brain. Oh. Okay, so number 20. Did you know that kangaroos cannot walk backwards? They can only walk frontward because they jump backwards. Okay, so number 21. Did you know that snails take the longest nap, some lasting as long as 3 years? 3 years? That's impossible. Okay, so number 22. Did you know that there are 31,556,926 seconds in a year? What? Wow! Okay, 23. Did you know that the air consists of 70% of water? Oh yeah, I heard about that too. Okay, so 24. Did you know that our galaxy has about 100 to 400 billion stars? Wow! Amazing! Okay, and also kids, thank you for watching my video and staying here with me, learning with me, and also don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video, and saying God bless.